Now here are some hard truths not everyone is ready to hear. Why do I sign my paintings in the front? So people who come upon my artwork can Google my name. It's really easy for me to simply legibly sign my name, and everybody who sees my work and falls in love with it, even if somebody reposted it or it hangs somewhere else and nobody's around to ask, they see my name, they can read it, they can look it up on Google, on Instagram, anywhere, and boom, I have a new potential collector. This one might be controversial, but so they know which way around to hang my artwork. And I hear a lot from other artists, they want to give the collector the option of choosing how to hang it, and I say no. Grow a pair. You are the artist. It's your vision. If they fall in love with your painting, the way around you decide it is the right way, they are allowed to buy it. It's not, hey, can you change the color? Or I want to hang it differently. That's not the kind of collector-artist relationship I'm having. They trust my vision and that I know which way around is right. I'm the artist. It's my decision. I also sign it because I'm actually proud of creating it, and I want everybody to know this is my art. I did that. It also helps with copyright reasons. It is much harder to steal a painting or trade it off as your own if there's a signature on it. And also for branding. Every time somebody sees a video of me signing my painting or a close-up shot of one of my paintings where my name is visible, my brand grows larger and larger. People recognize my style, they see my name, they know what kind of paintings I do. Also because my collectors like it. The very first painting I sold, somebody actually requested, please sign it in the front. And at that point I was so shy still about it, I just signed my initials, which in hindsight, don't. It's not very Googleable. It's not very search engine optimized. Be proud of your work. Be proud of who you are and that you created this. And simply, I sign my work because I want to. I do realize that there are some concerns that might prevent you from signing your full name in the front. For example, what if your name is too long? Do you know the artist Claire Desjardins? That's a very long name and she signs it beautifully. And one suggestion I would like to make is use a paint marker, acrylic paint marker if you work with acrylics. It's so much easier to sign your name legibly than using a paintbrush. And she uses it too. What if you don't have a pretty name? Would Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Georgia O'Keeffe, Jean-Michel Basquiat, Andy Warhol, would all those names sound pretty to you if you didn't realize they are famous artists? They have become household names, and I promise you, it wasn't because they were afraid their name isn't common enough or pretty enough or just plain weird. They didn't let that stop them. So what if you're on the other end of the spectrum? What if your name is just too common? How about William Turner? Do you think his name was a reason for him to not go out and paint? The way I see it is you can either have excuses or you can have results. It's your decision, and I'm confident in your ability to make this unique situation work for you. What I use the most for signing is this Posca marker, 1.8 to 2.5 millimeters in white. And usage is fairly simple. You shake it, you pump it a couple of times, you test it before you sign, and then when it's time for your signature, you sign confidently and legibly. Just show that painting who's boss. And if you mess up, which has happened to me, just have a wet paper towel to hand. You can wipe it away if you're quick, or just let it dry, paint over it. That's the magic of acrylic. I know of at least 2 instances where people have come to a home of a friend where one of my paintings hung, and those people turned into collectors because they saw my art, they saw my name. I don't know if their friend was around to recommend me, but they found me and they ordered their own painting. So signing my name as legibly as possible has led to many sales in the past, and that is why I will continue to do so. I also sign them in the back, but not only. Nobody can see the back. So sign where people can see. It's your advertisement. Just do it.